without character is useless. And even knowledge without character is dangerous. And so our organization, Center for Character and Leadership, through this project that we have been funded by the Templeton World Charity Foundation, we are working in order to change the mindset of our young people. And one of the initiatives that we have seen in our schools, transforming the culture of the school, is what we are referring to Adopt a Tree and Tag a Virtue initiative. We have seen students planting trees and tagging a virtue on those trees. And as they are taking care of the trees, they are also nurturing that virtue within their life. For example, I have seen a case where a student have tagged her tree with the name generosity. And this student has been able to sacrifice her pocket money and identify some needy students within the school community and do some shopping for those needy students. Through the cultivation of values, we can enhance the implementation of the competence-based curriculum, including the 7 competencies that are being implemented by the Ministry of Education.
And we're here partnering with the Center for Character and Leadership to do some innovative programming around developing the leaders of tomorrow in Kenya. And so this programming it's a virtue ethic-based project that is funded by the Templeton World Charities. And we've been working on it for about a year. We plan on working on it probably for another 10 years. We're really doing the research to see whether or not this kind of programming can make a significant change in schools. We find that teachers and principals here in Kenya, like all over the world, and especially also in the United States, they're spiritually hungry for this kind of programming. They really came to education because they want to make a difference. And this kind of programming is allowing them not only to make a difference, but to also inspire their students to make a difference. They're giving their students voice. They're empowering students. And these are things that aren't very common in schools, especially some of the outer area schools,